guys. It's Sunday morning about 8 a.m. This is our Sunday Ridealong. See the sun coming up there. Needless to say, I'm not going east. It's a nice 82 degrees. Feels comfortable. I've already put the sunscreen on, so got that going on this morning already. Looks a little gray over this way. It has rained this morning. A little bit of the water on the road there. Everybody's out for a walk. They get their early morning walk in. I get my early morning ride in. I did a ceramic coat on everything because the lug bugs are out. It has a base ceramic coat on it anyway. And because the base ceramic coat's on there, that helps. But I use the Turtle Wax, the quick ceramic spray. Seems to work really well. I know yesterday when I'd ridden it, and when I came in, some of the bugs that were on there, I just wiped them and they came right off. Oktoberfest is coming up in a few weeks. I know Daytona said that they were not going to have anything over there, but I think a lot of the other places around here, DeLand, Leesburg, a lot of them, they're going to have something going on. So at least there's that. I know some people saw my pit bull lift that I'm using. I really like that thing. It's big, it's heavy. It's a little difficult to get used to, but man, it makes detailing a breeze. I really sat down and worked on that front mag yesterday. I didn't do as well as I thought because I didn't have it fully extended up in the air, but I got it where I could get to it very well. And you really don't know how bad or what you miss on a mag wheel or places that you can't see or get to down under the bike or down on the sides until you get it up in the air on a lift. And then you see all that build up road grime and grit. Man, it's shocking. It's going to be a beautiful day today. I like to get out and ride early in the mornings or in the afternoon, late in the afternoon, because in Florida it's blistering hot during the day. And a lot of you may not know, but I have had an issue with melanoma skin cancer, and I had to have several surgeries to have one spot removed. It was tiny. It's about as big as my little fingernail, but man, it was big when they got done. I've got another couple spots on my face I'm worried about. I'm going to see the doctor Monday and get those looked at. But you don't mess around with melanoma, guys. It is unforgiving. If you wait till it stages and gets into your body, it can be fatal. So you don't play around with it, and it's really just a little benign looking patch. You don't really notice it. It doesn't hurt. Nothing to it. But it can kill you. I mean, dead. And I love riding motorcycles. This is one of the things that I enjoy most. So I always wear sunscreen. I always try to cover my face with a UV shield or a helmet. And just simple protections. I'll tell you something about melanoma. I mean, that's not melanoma on my hand there, little brown spots, but that's about what melanoma looks like. It's just a little brown spot. A little discoloration. It kind of starts growing and it looks a little bit odd, but you don't pay any attention to it. I never even noticed it was on my back of all places. But I'm not going to harp on that today. I'm going to get out and ride. I had my bike serviced at the dealership at 10K. I've got 804 miles on it. And I've got the Michelin Commander 3s on. So far, these tires have been great. I've ridden them when it's been raining. I've ridden them when it's been dry. They do very well in wet or dry. I'll tell you something I am thinking about is I'm going to save up my money, and probably next year I'm going to go with Legend shocks. I'm going to go Legend front forks and Legend rear shocks. I've got the Elvington shocks on the rear now. And don't get me wrong, they're excellent shocks. They ride really well. They handle really well. I've not got a lot of complaints about them, but my buddy, morning sir, my buddy put on